see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you.
Oh, that's amazing. Guys, labas tayo.
There you go.
I'm just gonna go closer.
Yeah, I'm gonna drive in there.
Oh, okay. You're gonna drive in?
Yeah,
Ah.
right here.
Okay. Pasok pala tayo. Buksan lang ni dyan yung gate. Bababa sana. That's massive.
I'm just gonna go here.
Hi! Ayan na, lalabas na siya dyan. Ay! Amazing! First time ko makakita ang ginagawa ito.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Spot.
Yeah, that's good. Huh? Yeah. So far, yung bales, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, ay, ang dami na. Ang dami na. Ito yung nakita natin na lumabas dun sa machine. Meron na siyang mesh. Ang galing. Ang galing lang. Ayun, nilabas na ulit.
Yeah, I know. But also, a couple of years there.
Couple of years. kabila. They done the horse one, huh?
Yeah.
How many?
It's nearly 4. Got 3 there, and they went out and done a little bit, and then got another one.
Oh, okay.
So nearly got 4 instead of that one.
Wow.
That's a lot.
Ang dami. I thought we're just gonna have like 5. So, ito na pala yung dulo ng farm. This is the boundary of this farm, right? Huh? Yeah, yeah. So, nakarating din tayo dito sa dulo. And, hindi ini-expect ni Jan na ganito karami yung magagawa na hay bales. Kasi ang akala niya, 15 or 16. Ako ang akala ko 5 lang. Kasi wala, never pa namin to ginawa. This is the first time. And I think parang 40 or 50. Ang dami na. Is that the last bit, Han? No, that one. Kasi ang dami. And ito yung pinakamalaking. May sizes kasi to. Mayroong maliit na pwede nyo ipagawang bales or malaki. Sa amin, yung pinakamalaki ang pinagawa ni Jan na bale. Where are we going now? Labas na tayo. My God, labas na tayo, guys. Nice weather naman.
Yeah.
Yan, ang dami. Hindi nyo makita. Ay! Ayan, alis na sila. See ya!
$56.
56 bales?
Yeah.
Wow, that's a lot. Wow.
Bloody hell.
Wow, 56. Ang dami niyan. The cow will be very happy. Good morning, guys. Ito yung continuation kahapon na vlog nung ng hay, yung binails yung hay. And naka-ready na pala ako kasi after dito sa farm, may gagawin lang saglit sa bahay, may kukunin. And then punta tayo ng town kasi may mga kukunin ako doon, may bibilin. Tapos pick upin natin si Holly ng early. So, yeah. Nag-work si Jan and pumunta lang siya sa bahay, nagpahingang 10 minutes tapos kinuha niya yung pang spray kasi magkakat siyang grass sa bay and doon sa bahay ni ma'am. Well, actually, yung mga bata ang nagkakat ng grass doon sa bahay ni ma'am. Pero spray lang ni Jan ng yung sa mga weeds. Spray niya lang yung mga gilid. After ni Jan dito matapos sa sa farm. Hindi niya lahat mahakot yung kasi 56 yun, di ba? 56 bales yun. Naghakot na siya ng bales na 16 ata. So, ngayon yung continuation niya. Ganda ng weather. Walang hangin. Walang hangin. Maganda yung init ng araw. Kaya nag-fishing si Jan. Ang kalaban ni Jan sa pag-fishing is alon. Malalaking alon, okay lang. Pero pag sobrang malaki pa sa barko niya, hindi siya nag-fishing. And then hangin. Malakas na hangin. Wind. Hindi siya talagang nag-fishing. Ayan, nandito. Parang dito pa rin ang Johnny Boy sa loob ng shed. Okay. Ano natin Johnny Boy? Andun na pala si Jan. Doon na siya. Kinuha niya na yung tractor. Ba't dala ko ang susi? meron na siyang natusok doon. Hindi ko ako makikita niyo kasi ang zoom ng ating DJI is not really good. Dry na yung mga po ng mga baka. Nandito yung mga baka sa likod ko.
진짜 햇살 어두운 밤 지나 찬란하게 빛나 I've been feeling down all night You tell me it's alright It's alright, alright, alright So 저 하늘은 더 푸른 바다로 How deep it can be when you jump 힘껏 달려가 And now 두 발을 벌려 Dive
Lumalayo sila. Ang cute. Lumalayo sila. Ginawang dog. Ay, huwag mo yung binibilaan mo yung sanito. Gusto silang bigyan ng hay kaso wala dito ng doon. Tapos eto, naka-ano pa siya, naka-net. Ayan siya. Ang dami na siyang imbak dito. Natambak lang siya.
귀를 기울여봐 내 안에 작은 목소리가 점점 크게 들려와 Dive into the sunlight when you're down. Just dive into the sky high.
Meron silang mga tags sa tenga nila.
Wouldn't lie to you, doesn't matter what I do.
Hindi ko lang paano lalabas. Nakaharang sila, guys. Nakaharang sila dito. Tingnan nyo. Ang cute nila. Sinundan talaga. Ay, may ano dito, may live wire. Sinundan talaga nila ako dito. Oh, ang cute. Nagdala ko ng hay para ginaganon ko sana sila.
Hold on me. She knows how to drive a truck, but she lets me pick her up
Meron din sa
when
ground
we're going
na
dancing.
ibigay sa kanila.
My heart starts beating when my headlights shining on her. She's my country
Dami na.
girl. I couldn't tell you what she's doing with me. She's so damn out of my league. She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her red dress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes. And I'm feeling like midnight's getting closer, and I just wanna hold her in my
Daming audience
arms till
nila.
the sun comes up. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country
Hindi
girl.
sila umaalis.
She can let her hair down, but got her feet on the ground. I can't get enough of her. She can drive me so wild, just with that sweet smile, and there's nobody else for me. My heart starts racing every time I'm looking at her.
Babe!
She's my country girl. I couldn't tell you what she's doing to me. She's so damn out of my league. She's a little bit crazy.
Is that gonna hurt me, huh?
Dancing in her red dress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes. And I'm feeling like midnight's getting closer, and I just wanna hold her in my arms till the sun comes up. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country.
Yan, dami na. 2, 4, 6, 8. So, iniisa-isa niya talaga. Yung iba nandoon doon. Sa kabila. Yung tinambak niya. Gusto nilang hay.
Hold on me. She knows
Dad, you're not gonna help me?
how to drive a truck, but she lets me pick her up when we're going dancing. My heart stops beating when my headlights shining on her. She's my country girl. I couldn't tell you what she's doing with me. She's so damn out of my league. She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her red dress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes. And I'm feeling like midnight's getting closer, and I just wanna hold her in my arms till the sun comes up. She's a little bit country, yeah, she's my country girl. She's a little bit country, yeah, she's my country girl. She can let her hair down, but got her feet on the ground. I can't get enough of her. She can drive me so wild, just with that sweet smiling. There's nobody else for me. My heart starts racing every time I'm looking at her. She's my country girl. I couldn't tell you what she's doing to me. She's so damn out of my league. She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her red dress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes. And I'm feeling like midnight's getting closer, and I just wanna hold her in my arms till the sun comes up. She's a little bit country, yeah, she's my country girl. She's a little bit country, yeah, she's my country girl. Get down.
Six times din nabalik si John. Kasi pa isa-isa lang yun eh. Ano na mga friends, dito na lang ba kayo? Magbabantay ng mga pagkain nyo? Huwag kayo mag-alala, sa inyo lang yan. Hindi ako titikim. Walang kukuha. Sa inyo lahat yan. Okay? So tapos na siya for today. Next time naman yung iba kasi ang dami pa. So ilan yung nailagay niya dito na stock niya? Bilangin natin 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Same lang yesterday. So madami-dami pa. And yung mga baka, ayan, dinilaan yung aking cellphone habang nagvi-video tayo. Okay, alis na tayo. Kasi tapos na si Jan dito. Punta na siya sa bay shed para mag-cut ng grass doon. Okay, cows. See you next time. Tomorrow again. Okay, bye. Nakaapak ako ng Ang bibilis nila magsitakbuhan. O hindi ko kayo aanuhin. Bakit kayo nagsitakbuhan? Ha? Mas malaki kaya kayo sa akin. Dapat ako yung tumakbo. Ha? Asa na si Johnny Boy? Nagsunura na silang lahat. Come on. Alam ko busog kayo. Pinakain na kayo ni Jan. Wag niyo akong suso again. Buksan niyo yung gate. Ayan si Jan. Hoy, buksan niyo ng gate si Johnny Boy. Ang daming pinakain sa inyo today. Ayun. Nandun na sila. Doon naman sila kakain. Okay. Uwi na tayo. Ayan na yung Johnny Boy natin. Ayan na naman sila, oh. Nagsilapitan.
You know the drink?
Yeah. Are you gonna cut the grass?
So the wind's come up now. won't it?
Na, oh. Tama nga siya kanina. Nagmamadali siya pumunta dito para i-cut, ano nga ng hay. And mag-cut ng grass kasi mamaya lalakas na naman daw yung wind. Kanina walang wind. Yung pag-fishing niya, was it peaceful when you went fishing?
Yeah.
Yeah. Kaya siya nag-fishing. Are you fishing tomorrow?
No.
No? Hindi siya mag-fish tomorrow kasi nagka-catch up na naman yung hangin. So nilinis niya lang yung yung pot. Okay. Okay, I have to go now, Han.
What time are you going?
Oh, the concert will finish 8. Well, 6 to 8. So 8:30. So feed the
I better
kids.
go get sorted.
Yeah, alright. See ya.
So,
Love you.
love you.
So where you going? Bay?
There and then home, cut the grass.
Yeah. So you done cutting here, right? Yesterday?
Yeah, cut it.
Yeah, so ang agenda niya, and you're going to mom's house too.
Yeah, I was, but I can't now. It's blowing.
Oh, hindi na kasi. Mag-spray siya ng weed. Pag may wind, hindi pwede daw kasi mag-spread everywhere. Okay guys, punta na ako sa bahay. Kunin ko yung mga gamit ni Holly for the concert. So, iba tong vlog. Pag nakita niyo yung same ang damit ko, ibig sabihin dalawang vlog yung ginawa ko. Alright. So, yun na. I-end ko na yung vlog dito sa farm. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. So, at least nakita na natin kung paano gawin yung hay bales. Yung mga bales na hay. Mga bales na yun. Basta yung bales. Kasi first time namin yun ipagawa. And si Jan, na-amaze din kasi nga, di ba, ang daming nagawa. Akala niya 16 lang. Ako nga, akala ko 4 lang ang pwede. Kasi nga, hindi ko alam ganun karami yung, yung grass na may ipon ba. Kasi malaki kaya yung bale. So, si Jan 16, oh, di ba? Ang layo sa 56. Ang hirap maging vlogger. Kasi yung stick masasampal tayo. Alright. So at least mayroon na tayong idea paano gawin yun. At saka masaya siya. Masaya kasi ang daming nagawa. Grapho ko siya sa office. Yeah, because I'm gonna pick you up after the graduation. Pick up ko kay Holly is 10:15. 10:15 kasi matatapos yung assembly. Hindi ko makita si Johnny Boy. Andun, nag-change pala siya ng parking. Wala pa siya sa loob. Andun, nakita ko. Ayan si Dina. Labas na ng car. Ah, si Jam pala.
I'd like to congratulate the favourites of the last one. Zachary Howard. Isaiah Hunt. Riley Judd. Elizabeth Yombo. Brock Lewis. Ruby McGrath.
Dito ako sa room ni Zach. Tapos na yung graduation nila.